Hey, losers! So I'm back on Nameless, and I just finished a thing. And now we're having a chat with Jelly and Fox Girl. Whoa! Where did you draw out this monster? You're finally out, Kitty. Hey, Kitty? You know him? Hi, hello, I'm Jellyhead. Hello, I'm Nora. Are you Kitty's friend? I didn't see you on my way here. 'Cause I was helping others. Actually, I've been staying in this church all these years, warning passing adventurers to watch out for dangers. I see. Thank you for your help. Let's keep moving forward, Kitty. Actually, this church isn't dangerous at all. Therefore, I'm going to the place you guys are heading. This way, I'll be able to help more people. That's great. Let's go, Kitty. Wait, what's wrong? Why am I so goddamn great? What? Okay. Didn't get the tuna, but we are on a new thing. Oh, nice. I leveled up. So we're in something called Locked Door. Ooh, a new person. Oh, this door finally opened. Hello. Hope you didn't get caught in the rain. Miss or Mrs. Cat? Sorry, I couldn't tell the difference between a male and female cat. That's so busy. A tough day at work, huh? Last month I invited my crush to a date in the snowland. But I've been late for a month now because of this damn knocked door. I found the miner. He said the key to the store is gone. Unless someone opens it from the other side, there's no way to open it. Thank God it's finally open now. Now I need to hurry over to Snowland. Bye, Kitty. Hey, that was really easy. No camp tuna this time, but still easy. Oh, what is that thing? Whee! Keep bounce, bounce, bounce. What the fuck are those? Okay, so the ceiling grows weird, scary stuff. That is something to note. Weird, scary stuff on ceiling. No, I missed the tuna. Oh, whatever. Okay, so new person. Kitty, where are you heading? Are you lost? There's only shrubs and deadly creatures ahead. So hurry and turn around the other way. Yeah, it doesn't seem like that's a very viable option. Fuck. Mommy maze, what? That sounds very strange. Dang it. Okay, let's... Oh, no. No, I just finished recording the previous video and I started to get a little bit sleepy. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye.